Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the today's class. The today's class about the another important the theory that is about the Darwin theory or Darwinism. The Darwin theory or the Darwinism. The Darwinism is introduced by Charles Robert Darwin. Charles Robert Darwin is introduced. He was born in 1809, but he was died in 1882. Who? The Charles Darwin. The Charles Darwin is very important the evolutionist, but in the Charles Darwin he wrote the book. The book is the famous book, The Origin of Species. The Origin of Species book is wrote by the Charles Darwin. Another same like this only is there. That another the Origin of Life. The Origin of Life. The book is wrote by Alexander Holden. Alexander Holden to wrote the book of Origin of Life. The Origin of the Species, the book is wrote by the Charles Darwin. That the Charles Darwin, he got the more knowledge from the two members, who is Robert Grant. Is another member, Charles Huxley. Robert Grant and Charles Huxley. The Robert Grant, he taught the zoology to the Charles Darwin, and Charles Huxley to taught the botany subject to the Charles Darwin. Grant is a zoology taught to the Darwin. The botany taught by the Charles Darwin. Charles Huxley to the Charles Darwin. That the Charles Darwin in the year of the 22, in the age of 22, in the year 1835, with help of Huxley, he was through the voyage. He was visited the many places in the world. For visiting of the many places in the world, the Charles Huxley to providing the one ship, what is that? HMS Beagle. HMS Beagle is a ship is provided by Charles Huxley. By using of HMS Beagle, the Charles Darwin visited the many countries. Especially the Charles Darwin, he visited the Galapagos Island. He was visited in Galapagos Island in Indonesia. He visited the Galapagos Islands. Galapagos Island is visited by the Charles Darwin in the year of 1835 by using of HMS Beagle. That the Charles Darwin, this Galapagos Island, he given the name the Living Museum. He given the name is Living Laboratory of Evolution. He called the Galapagos Island, he called the Living Laboratory of Evolution. Who the Charles Darwin called Galapagos Island, the Living Laboratory of the Evolution. Very important this. In Galapagos Island, he observed the pinch birds. He observed the which birds? Very important, but the pinch birds. After the observed these pinch birds, this birds is called the Darwin pinches. In that in that Galapagos Island, the Charles Darwin observed the total the 14 type of the pinch birds. He observed what the 14 types of pinches. He observed the 14 types of the pinches. In that 14 types of the pinches, only the 12 type of the pinches we observed only observed in Galapagos Island. Galapagos Island. He observed the in 12 types of the pinches. He observed the 14 type of the pinches. He observed the 12 type of the pinches in Galapagos Island. Oh, the Charles Darwin. When he was observed these 14 remaining two is any other islands. But when he was observed this 14 type of the pinch birds, while starting there all the beaks of the pinch birds is as common only. When the days is increasing, that when he was observed that some of the pinch birds the beak is going to diversify, there is some of the changes he observed that. Oh, the Charles Darwin. What are that? Some of the beaks it is adapted to the insectivorous. Some are insectivorous pinches. Some are tree-eating pinches. Next, some are seed-eating pinches. Some are the cactus-eating pinches. So, like that, you observe the different the types of the pinches in the Galapagos Island. There is actually the 14 types is there. In that, the 13 types of the observed in Galapagos Island. Remaining one type. He observed one type of pinch birds is observed in Coco Island. He observed in where? The Coco Island. In the 14 types, in the 13 types he observed in the Galapagos Island. The one type he observed in Coco Island to the Charles Darwin. Now starting all the beak is the same only, but after that during the gradual improvement, the beaks are adapted to the for eating of insects. Some are the tree eating means vegetarian. Some are the seed eating to adapted the beak to the seed eating. Some are adapted to the cactus eating. That there is some of the changes is observed. This is one of the best example to the adaptive radiation. Is the best example to the adaptive radiation. Means due to the environmental condition and habitation, it is changing the beak size and shape. Who observed this? The Charles Darwin. Then after that, Charles Darwin is basically more influenced by the three books. It is a very important for entrance. What are the three books that? One is an essay on the principles of population by Thomas Malthus. According to Thomas Malthus, already we discussed. The second one, he influenced by the principles of geology by Charles Lyell. The Charles Lyell book, The Principles of Geology. The third book is Alfred Russel Wallace book on the tendency of the varieties and tendency of the varieties from the department and tendency of the varieties. Who wrote? The Alfred Russel Wallace. The Alfred Russel Wallace is called as unforgotten Darwinist, or is a co-worker of the Darwin. Alfred Russel Wallace is the co-worker of the Darwin. And that the Darwin is introduced the basically what is that? The natural selection. The natural selection that he was introduced the main thing that is natural selection. Natural selection. About the natural selection is clearly introduced by the Charles Darwin. That according to the Charles Darwin, the natural selection is influenced by the following factors. The natural selection we will discuss in next video. Thank you, one and all.